Okay, we're doing a carb clean on this 2004 Mercury 25 horse 2-stroke. These things work perfect to get this plastic cover off. Other people are taking the whole starter off to get these 2 bolts off. So let's use one of these. This is a cobalt kit. So it's the 8mm. So you do have to take the starter out. I did the 10mm bolts and moved them over to the side so I can get these bolts on the carb. Take those off next. Okay, we just took these bolts off. There's one right there and one over here. They're 13mm. And we'll pop that off. See what else we got in there. Okay, to pull the choke assembly out, there's 2 parts here. You just got to pull this horseshoe clip off. It sits right into there. Next thing I'm going to do is pull off the solenoid. And then we'll cut the zip tie on the fuel line. And we'll be able to take the rest of it apart. Well, we got the whole carburetor apart, and I think that's the culprit. We got a little bit of garbage in there, so I'll run it all through the hydrosonic cleaner. See if that fixes it. I'm going to try to use the same gasket kit, but I don't think it will. I'll probably have to buy a carb kit for it, I'm sure, but I'll try it. So that's kind of different. I've never seen a float that doesn't hook onto the needle valve. So it just sits there free. So we'll get it all cleaned up in the hydrosonic cleaner and we'll put it back together. So the symptoms of this was it just wouldn't idle. It would rev up, but it wouldn't idle. So another thing you kind of do is when you have this open is you got to look and see if those reed valves are open at all. So we'll put it all back together and see if it runs.